I'm going to go over a few different things with the Sphero robot in this video. The first thing I want to explain is how to aim your robot. This is how to tell it to go in a certain direction. So it'll look a little bit different on the iPad because I'm recording this with my computer, but you'll want to click on aim, and in this case, when I click on aim, these little arrows help me move this little blue light. Hopefully you can see it. The blue light tells me the back side. So if I wanted it to go in one direction, I would keep aiming it or moving that little blue light until it got to the back side of the way I want it to go, the opposite side of the ball. And then another thing I want to show you is how to drive it. So I won't exactly show you on the floor, but I'm going to drag this little blue dot around, and that will be driving it. So it's trying to move in my hand, but it can't because it's not on the floor. This right here controls the speed, so I can go faster or slower. I'd recommend staying on the slower end because when it goes fast, it goes very fast and can be hard to keep track of. The last thing I'll show you on this page is how to change colors. So actually the light changes colors. So you'll see as I drag this around, it changes to purple, changes to yellow, changes to green. So this was a quick tutorial on aiming, driving, and changing the color.